If I could change the rhythm of time, I'd go back and forth a million times. If that's what it takes to keep you right by my side. My dearest, I'm sorry. Hurt so deep inside. I shouldn't have let you go. Why did I say goodbye? Holding your hands, yeah, we never let go. Squeeze them 5 times, that's our only little goal. Told you good night, but you're spending all night as alone. Should have never said goodbye. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm sorry I tried to stay